Welcome to our channel. The something went wrong error on Peacock can occur for various reasons. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this common issue. Step 1. Close the Peacock app completely and reopen it. Force quit the app rather than just minimizing it. Step 2. Check your internet connection by testing it with a speed test. Peacock requires at least 2.5 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Step 3. Restart your streaming device by powering it off completely, waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Step 4. Clear the Peacock app cache by going to your device settings, finding the Peacock app, and selecting Clear Cache. Step 5. Update the Peacock app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store and checking for available updates. Step 6. Sign out of your Peacock account completely, then sign back in with your credentials. Step 7. Check if Peacock is experiencing service outages by visiting their social media accounts or downdetector.com. Step 8. If using a VPN or proxy, disable it as Peacock may block access from certain IP addresses or regions. Step 9. Uninstall and reinstall the Peacock app if the error persists. This ensures you have a fresh installation. Step 10. Try accessing Peacock on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific or account-related. Step 11. Contact Peacock customer support through their help center if none of these steps resolve the error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.